Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all what I do to help me clear my spots. Actually, one of the things I do to help me clear all my spots, this has actually helped me so much, and I thought, why not show you guys just this one thing, to help you if you're struggling with acne, if you're struggling with dark marks, if you're struggling with uneven skin tone. This will help you as well. So but before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red button that says subscribe, and tap on the bell icon so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. So without any delay, I want us to jump right into the video.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
So this is Indian healing clay mask. If you follow me on my video, you know that I've talked so much about this, although you guys have not actually seen me do this. So I thought, why not do this today to show you guys what I do and how I do it. So because when I'm making my full-time skincare routine or wherever it's, I find out that it takes too long, so with me putting this and all that, so I thought, why not show you guys what I do, like how I do it. So if you want to know how I do it and how it's going to help you clear your spots or your dark marks or uneven skin tone, please keep on watching. If you don't have this, you can get this from, I think, Amazon. I got this one from Amazon. It just says Indian healing clay. So you can actually use this as a mask on your face, on your hair, but mostly I just use that on my face. So without any delay, I'm going to go ahead to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to use this spoon. This is just 5 ml. You don't really need too much because I do this just once a week. I'm just going to put that here. Yeah, that's all you need. You can use this apple cider vinegar. This is so good. This helps you in losing weight as well. This, like, apple cider vinegar, it's good like in many ways. So you can use the, what I do, I use this one, but most of the times I just use rose hip oil, and it looks like this, just a tiny bit. Well, I'm going to add water. I'm going to mix them together. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my face. I've actually washed my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and I just want to make my hair to be damp as I just finished.
Still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Oh, how do you know how you will feel when everything changes?
Just avoiding my eye area, as when this gets dry, you don't want that side to get tight. Yeah, too tight. I just do this like once a week. So I'm just going to use my hand to do it.
You always want what you can't have, and while you have it, you can. But still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do
At
you
this stage, you can feel your face to tighten a little bit, and it will continue to do this until it's very dry, but not in a bad way. You can feel something is working on your face. So guys, I'm going to leave this for, it says normally I just leave it for like 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes I even leave it like up to 1 hour, but it says here that I should let it dry 5 to 10 minutes. For delicate skin and normal skin should be around 15 to 20 minutes. So for this video I'm going to leave it like 30 minutes. So I'm going to come back because I leave it like as long as I can, but today I'm going to see if I can leave it like 30 minutes or thereabouts. So when I come back, and I'll show you guys how it looks. See you later. So guys, I'm back. As you can see, it feels so dry. Yeah, this is around 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm going to wash it off, and I'm going to use lukewarm water and wash it off. So I'm going to come back and show you guys how my face looks. So guys, I just finished cleaning my face. So just going to go ahead and use my time to cleanse cleansing water and make sure I get off any remaining residue.
You always want what you can't have, and while you
Probably been perfect.
still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it.
So after this, I'm just going to use my oil. I'm going to use this vitamin E oil, just like 3 to 4 drops, and I'll use my sweet almond oil.
How do you know? How do you know?
So guys, this has helped me so much in clearing my spots. Like, it's so good. Like, if you follow this routine, and I'm going to show you guys once again my final review on this very soon. It's just because I'm so busy with school, like class work, homework, like it's so much, but I will just try to upload at least once in a week this time around because of my busy schedule in school with family and all that as well. Yeah, I'll give you guys my final updates and review on this one very soon, which is the Melanin London face cream. So you know, I don't really use this one like every day because it's a bit expensive. I use it sometimes every day, sometimes I use it every other day. So, and I'm just going to, it's just remaining so small. Like, I don't know, it's just there, like it's finished. I don't know if you can see, like I've run out already. I have like about, you know, few, like 2 times, and then I'll be done with this, and I'll give you guys my final of this. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this on my face. You don't really need too much. So guys, like this is the deal, like especially the max. That's if you incorporate that into your routine, any type of face cream or whatever you use, just continue to use it if that works for you. If you incorporate this in your routine, believe me, it's going to help you a long way. Like, it's going to help you big time. Yeah, so this is one of the things I do to help me clear my spots. But don't worry guys, I'm going to show you like everything I did to help me, but this is like one of it, and I've seen a significant change on my skin. As you guys know from what my face used to look before, when I had spots on my face, as you can see now, it has, you know, cleared tremendously. And yeah, if you want to see more and want to see like everything I did to help me clear my spots, please, all you need to do is just to subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell, because as soon as I post, you get notified, instant notification whenever I upload a new video. And definitely I'm going to give you guys my final update on this one and every other thing I did to help me get a clear skin. So guys, we've come to the end of this video today. If you like it, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
How do you know?